Mabuhay, Kabayan! So today I'm gonna show you a cake I'm making. So I'm making a galaxy-ish cake. It have many colors. I made a simple vanilla cake. The recipe is from How to Cake It. It's very, very, very good. So there's a ton of cake and videos and recipe that are just amazing. So make sure to go to this page. I cut the edges, so now you can see the color perfectly. For the colors, I recommend gel coloring food. This is the best for cooking. It will keep your colors alive and not fade and won't change the consistency of your cake. Now, next day, because you have to let it cool completely, so overnight, so you can scar or cut it in half, sorry. So I'm gonna cut it in half and then I'm gonna do a simple syrup with an infusion of herbs to make a little taste. And then I'm gonna add the syrup to the cake so it's moist. It will help make your cake not dry. Then I will bake one layer of lemon curd that I bought. I didn't make the lemon curd. And then I'm gonna do buttercream with mascarpone and cream and butter. So it's a new recipe. I never tried. I'm gonna try it now. And then you'll see the result. Here is in half. So I cut it in half and this is the inside. So you can perfectly see all the color. That's why you should definitely use gel. It is super moist, not dry at all, but I'm still gonna add the syrup so it will be amazingly moist. And I'm gonna show you something else that I made. So with the extra batch I had of dough, because I made 1/2 more of the recipe, so extra. And I made some cupcake. And then I made some ube flavor cupcake. I bought a ube flavor coloring in the Philippines when I went. So this one, I bought this one. I tried it, not a very strong ube taste, but it's very nice and very beautiful in the color. Kabayan. So I wanted to tell you about the gel for the coloring. This one I bought in Manila. This one I bought in Geneva. So both are gel compared to liquid or powder colorant. That won't be so nice. It will not make a vibrant color or stay well in your cooking, while gel are amazing. So I highly recommend. In Manila, you will find it at the castle. It's a castle of baking, and it have everything you can dream of, and they have the colorant. And